everyone, it's me, your biggest wingnut ever. Welcome to my channel. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. Welcome to LGS. How you doing? So, we got one of my favorite subscriptions. This is, I think, probably it's definitely in my top 3. Actually, I think it's in my top 2. It's one of my favorite subscriptions. It's Look Fantastic, everybody. So, I'm going to leave a timestamp for those of you who know all about Look Fantastic, but if you're new to my channel and you don't know anything about Look Fantastic, you might want to listen. Look Fantastic is a subscription beauty box from the UK. I mean, this bad boy came from, why is it saying Jersey? It's from the UK. Okay, yeah, so it came from United Kingdom, Cheshire. Cheshire. Oh, but if it had to go returned, it would go to Jersey in the States. I don't know. I'm confusing myself now. Anyway, I pay $20 and change for this box, sometimes $21 in Canadian because I'm in Toronto. If you sign up for 12 months, they take the money out of your account every month, not all at once, like most subscription boxes, which I love that. So you sign up for 12 months, and it costs me $20 a month. I think if you sign up for 6 months, it costs you $21 or $22 a month. I'm not sure. Somebody let me know in the comments down below if you sign up for 6 months, how much they take out of your account monthly, as well as for 3 months. Anyway, it's mostly a skincare box from the UK. Mostly deluxe size samples, but their deluxe size samples are pretty freaking awesome. You know, you can get some big deluxe sizes. It's usually expensive skincare. Lately, they've been putting in some makeup in here as well. 1, maybe 2 items. But it's always been predominantly in the past skincare. Okay, we're going to get into the box. Wait, shut up, Lisa. Shut up. Okay, we open her up. Every month, the box is different. And these boxes are beautiful for storage. Don't need that. Isn't that a pretty purple? Isn't that gorgeous? It goes so pretty with my background too, doesn't it? Every single Look Fantastic box has a saying, and it says, stars can't shine without darkness. So every month it's different. The stars cannot shine without darkness. That's all right, honey. That's right. Can't see the stars if it's, not dark. Every box comes with an Elle magazine, which is pretty freaking awesome. Every now and then they will put a sniffer in here. I've seen it happen, but I've never gotten one. Ever. Never. Never get a sniffer. And we got this lovely young lady on the front cover. Okay, so yeah, that's awesome, right? This is like $6 in Canada. And we also get the pamphlet telling us what's going to be in the box. Usually on the back of the pamphlet is a sneak peek of what's coming, say, in November's box. But this month, it is a Christmas stocking coming soon. Add a touch of Look Fantastic into your Christmas decorating this year with his and hers Christmas stocking. Non-subscribers will pay £90. Now remember, this is in pounds because it's from the UK. £90 for non-subscribers and £65 for subscribers. Convert that into Canadian, it's probably about, I don't know, $90. Something like that. 100, something like that. Okay, I'm going to find the spoiler. So the spoiler for next month is the ESPA Smooth and Firm Body Butter, and it's worth £8.30, and that's what it is right there, and it's 30 mils, so that's going to be in the box next month. And FYI, for those of you who don't know much about boxes, Christmas boxes are usually pretty freaking good. For all subscription companies, usually the Christmas boxes are usually pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I got in this. I got version number 2. For those of you who are wondering, it was in my, in your tracking email. That's what I got, version number 2. And it's like that. And we're going to open her up. I love this box. Not very often they come out with a dud. I think this year it was probably like 1 dud maybe, where it was just kind of like a blob box. Not very often. First thing I see is this, what are you? Illuminating holographic sheet mask. Made in Korea, so some K-beauty right here. The value of this is, where are you? Holy cow, £10. Wow. For 1 sheet mask? Wow. Okay, so we got a £10 sheet mask. That's crazy. All right. The next thing in this box, I'm so excited. Yay. We got a brush. We got a Sigma. Are you Sigma? No, you're not. The company is called Look Good, Feel Better. Okay. Look Good, Feel Better. They're facing cancer with confidence. Oh, that's nice. Pretty cool. So I guess when you buy from this brand, you're supporting the Cancer Society. And by purchasing this product, it helps them provide workshops, information, and online support for those who are facing cancer. Awesome. Anyway, I'm opening it up because I love, oh my God, when we went to IMATS last week or 2 weeks ago, is it the brush? It's kind of like the brush I was looking for. So it's a nice little fluffy angled brush. Nice. This is nice. I like this. And I love the handle too. And these do not feel cheap. You know how you get some brushes and they feel cheap? These do not feel cheap at all. I'm liking this brush. Okay, so we got a brush, everybody. That's awesome. Get back in the box. Okay, I'm rushing because I have to get back to work. We also have the EOS Lip Balm, and mine is in Pearl. So you can get it in a Shimmer Coral, Pearl, Iridescent, or Crystal Vanilla Orchid. And this is worth $6.50. And mine is black, honey. Shimmer. So I got Shimmer Pearl. Let's see, look. And these, wow, the packaging on these are so cute. Let's see what they're, oh, mine is not right. And there's no smell. Mine broke. So I'm going to send them an email because it's broken. It's supposed to be on, I got it on my nose. It's supposed to come up like a dome, but mine is broken. Right. And there's no smell. But lip balm, that's awesome. Okay, so everyone's going to get one of these in their box, just different kinds. And mine was Pearl, and Pearl is broken. Broken peel. Right. The next thing in this box is what the heck? I didn't get it. I got an Avant Hyaluronic Shea Butter Acid Face and Eye Cream. But I believe I was supposed to get the Balm eyeshadow, and I didn't get it. What the heck? It's not in here. Right. Okay. Well, you're supposed to get either the Balm eyeshadow highlighter, and I don't know if the other one was a blush. That's for your eyes, I think. Yeah. So there was a, well, I know Avant is pretty expensive. I know this is expensive. Face and Eye Night Cream, 10 mil, and it's still, even if it's 10 mil, it's pretty expensive, but yeah, anyway, right on. Okay, so that's that. The next thing in this box we got is Polaire. It is a hand cream for £9.90. And there's a safety seal on it. I don't think I'm going to take it off because I think I might put this in a Christmas gift, or I might put it in my Jamaican box when I go to Jamaica. And the last thing in this box, we have a wet brush, a mini detangler. Mine's in the color pink. You could have gotten different colors. This is £7.99. And I don't know if I said it, the hand cream was £9.90. I'm all confused now. I don't know what's going on. My lip balm's broken. My eyeshadow is not there. Well, I just dropped my box. I'm all out of sorts right now. I don't know what's happening. Lord. And I can't find my scissors that I just had on my desk. Yeah, so I think you can get different colors in this wet brush. Which I'm excited about. I know there's a blue one, and I think this is the first time I've seen a pink one. So here it is. It's a detangler. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, girl. This is nice, and my kids are going to like this, too. This is going to be really good for the kids. From Maddie and Savannah. Oh, God. That feels so good, everybody. Now, if only I had somebody to brush my hair. You know how when somebody brushes your hair and it feels so nice? Now I just got to go and probably, you know, bribe my kids to brush my hair. But a nice brush. All right, we're going to do a recap. We got the brush, and that was $7.99 pounds. We got the hand cream, $9.99. We got not the eyeshadow. We got the Avant Face Eye Nighttime Cream. Don't know how much that is, but I know it is an expensive brand. I kind of wanted the eyeshadow. But oh well. It is. I'll send them an email. We don't know what Look Fantastic is going to do about it, you know, but we'll see, right? We also got the EOS Lip Balm, which came broken. That was £6.50. Oh, the balm eyeshadow was worth £8. Then we got the K-Beauty Illuminating Holographic Mask, which is £10. And the brush, which was $6.99. Right. So that's my box. Let me know. What did you get? If you're in Canada, did you get the eyeshadow? Did your balm come broken? I still love this box. It's still one of my favorite subscriptions. And I'm hoping Look Fantastic makes it right. You know, I don't want them to come back and say, oh, we'll send you a credit. We'll credit your account. You know, sometimes they do that. And then you're like, yeah, what's, you know, kind of rather have the product not broken. But they are pretty decent company. So that's it, everyone. Leave your comments down below. What do you think? And don't forget to like my video. Bye.